Welcome to 9228 Lone Timber Court, located in the beautiful pinery in the Timbers. This stunning Toll Brothers semi-custom ranch home has over 3,600 square feet, all on one level. In addition, it has a basement that's unfinished with almost 2,700 square feet for you to finish later on for all your additional needs. Tucked away at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and set on more than an acre of land, this property is surrounded by towering old-growth Ponderosa Pines, offering privacy, peace, and timeless Colorado beauty. And while it may feel like you're in the mountains at a little getaway, you're just minutes away from shops, restaurants, and the convenience of downtown Parker. Throughout the home, you'll find soaring ceilings with an abundance of natural light pouring in from those expansive 24-foot custom slider doors. This double-sided stone wall, floor to ceiling, featuring a fireplace, offers character and warmth. This open concept kitchen is both functional and very beautiful, stunning with high-end appliances that are stainless steel, an induction cooktop, a generously sized pantry, and elegant finishes throughout. Waterfall quartz countertops, white cabinetry, and beautiful blue subway tile as a backsplash. This primary suite is a beautiful retreat. Soaring trade coppered ceilings, large, beautiful windows that bring peaceful views of the Ponderosa Pines just outside your windows. The master bathroom has beautiful finishes and leads into a generous walk-in closet complete with custom cabinetry, large walk-in shower, and dual vanities. Have a great day, everyone. Hope you enjoyed our beautiful home.